I hear the whispers of 1,000 stars, soft as feathers falling on my scars. The hum of the void, it sings my name. In this quiet sphere, nothing feels the same. Breath